In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume delta quick and easy guide. We'll be doing this inside the TradingView platform, and I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own chart. By the end of this video, you'll have the volume delta indicator added and ready to use in your analysis. First, make sure you're on a chart in TradingView. It can be any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is open and loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar above the main price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, scripts, and community indicators live. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word Delta. Be sure to spell it correctly, D-E-L-T-A, so TradingView can find the right tools for you. As you type, a list of results will appear below, showing all indicators related to delta. From that list, look for the one labeled Volume Delta. This is the indicator we want to add to your chart. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing Volume Delta specifically, and not another similar sounding script. Once you've found it in the results, simply click on Volume Delta. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically apply the Volume Delta indicator to your chart. You should now see it appear, usually in a separate panel below your main price chart. If you don't see it right away, check the left side of your screen where your indicator list is shown, and make sure it's toggled on and not hidden. From here, you can customize it if you'd like. You can open its settings by clicking the small gear icon next to the indicator's name. This lets you adjust colors, line styles, or visibility, depending on how you prefer your charts to look. Customizing isn't required, but it can make it easier to read the data at a glance. If you're planning to use volume delta regularly, having a more advanced TradingView plan can be helpful, especially if you want to stack multiple indicators or save different chart layouts. If you're interested in upgrading, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro and support the channel at the same time. And that's it. You've successfully added the volume delta indicator to your TradingView chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your trading analysis.